Duke N. Nukem, right? Now, Duke N. Nukem, he is a doctor who changed himself into a radioactive yellow rock skin mutant who represents the misuse of nuclear power. Are you listening? I'll say it again. It's the third villain, Duke N. Nukem. He is a doctor who changed himself into a radioactive yellow rock skin mutant who represents the misuse of nuclear power. Nuclear power. So that's like nuclear bombs. And I told you about nukes. All nuclear weapons are created from the nucleus of our cells, of the cells of the God species. Okay? They use our body for a million things, but they also use our atoms to make the atomic bomb, but they also use the nucleus of our cells, all right, of our cells to make these nuclear weapons. And we know what nukes do. See how powerful nukes are? Okay, so this is how powerful you are. This is how powerful you are. You see what atomic bomb do and nuclear weapons do, and they using your body to make that shit. So what does that tell you about you? Well, let a motherfucker tell it. I'm just on the internet talking every day, y'all. I'm just right here talking. They using the bodies of blacks and Latinos to make the atoms. Our atoms to make atomic bombs. And we've seen what the atomic bomb did to Hiroshima in Japan. Okay? Then they turn around and use the nucleus of the cells because of our molecular structure of all of your so-called black and Latinos, because we are aboriginals, we are non-ether beings, so we have advanced chemicals in here to make the nuclear bomb. That's why they call them nukes. So then they use our avatars to make the bullets and the weapons too. I told y'all that guns are made out of our shit. Bullets, all that. Ammunition. You shoot the gun too many times, it jam up. Take it to the gunsmith. They're going to tell you it has carbon buildup in it. I've always taught y'all that lesson. It ain't going to never change. I got my little examples I like to use. Feel me? But you take the gun to the gunsmith, he gonna tell you that your shit jammed because it has, I'm giving you the science, we talking science. Your gun jammed because it has carbon buildup. You have to keep it clean. That's what he gonna tell you. After you fire it, make sure you cleanse it because the bullets let off a lot of kinetic energy. It's kinetic energy and it's full of carbon. And you are the biggest source of carbon on the fucking planet. Carbonated being. But nah, you want to be a nigga though. I'm trying to just remind you that you a god, but y'all want to be niggas still. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you the science of this shit. So what you think you is? If they using you to do all this shit, then what you think you is? So you need to be trying to figure out, I am energy, I am electricity. Now how the fuck can I amplify it? 666, electrons, neutrons, protons, it's all electricity. You are electricity and infinite intelligence and energy and magnetism. Now how the fuck can I amplify this? It's not that I can't do whatever I want to do energy-wise. Now that you see why they try to tell you in the Bible, if he has the faith of mustard seed, you can move a mountain. Remember they said little shit like that in their Bible? Because see, they lied, but they still was putting truth in there too. Knowing that you would never figure this shit out because